Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best sewing machine table is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving additions a modern crafter can make to their home, especially for those with limited living areas or who prefer to keep their creative space tidy and organized when not in use, transforming a cluttered corner into a dedicated, functional workstation with ease. Number 5. Keter Heavy-Duty Folding Workbench. Need a workspace in a hurry? This workbench sets up in just 30 seconds, no assembly required. It's perfect for any project, big or small, at home or on the go. Tackle your toughest jobs with confidence. This table supports up to 1,000 pounds and includes adjustable clamps for securing materials. You'll have plenty of space and stability for any task. From woodworking to miter saws, this workbench adapts to your needs. Its quick folding system makes storage and transport a breeze, so you can set up and pack up in moments. Built to last, this workbench is made from weather-resistant materials and sturdy aluminum legs. It won't rust, peel, or dent, ensuring reliable performance in any condition. For over 75 years, Keter has been creating innovative solutions inspired by your life. We design products to make your everyday tasks easier and better, both inside and outside your home. What we like? This option offers an incredible weight capacity, making it perfect for heavy-duty projects. If you are looking for a robust and reliable workspace that can handle significant weight and set up in seconds, this is the one for you. Its durable and weather-resistant build also makes it suitable for various environments. What people say. The table is very sturdy and stable when in use, even with a heavy sewing machine. It folds up easily and is compact for storage, which is great for small spaces. The workspace is large enough to accommodate most sewing projects comfortably. Number 4. Sew Ready Eclipse Hobby Sewing Center Craft Table. Introducing the Eclipse Hobby Sewing Center, your new go-to workspace. Its spacious design is perfect for all your creative endeavors, from sewing to crafting. Keep your workspace tidy with 3 convenient drawers and a large lower shelf. Store all your essentials like fabric and art supplies within easy reach. This unique platform shelf adjusts to fit various sewing machine heights. It's also perfect for your laptop or computer keyboard, adapting to your needs. Crafted with heavy-gauge steel and a thick tabletop, it's built for durability. 6 adjustable floor levelers ensure stability on any surface. Add a touch of style to any room. This versatile table is ideal for your office, art studio, or craft room, blending fashion with function. What we like? If you need a dedicated space for your creative endeavors with plenty of room to spread out and keep supplies organized, consider this table. Its generous tabletop and multiple storage options are ideal for crafters and sewers who want everything within reach. The adjustable shelf adds extra versatility for different machine sizes or even a laptop. What people say. The sewing machine table is foldable, making it easy to store and move around. It has a spacious surface area that can accommodate most sewing machines. The table is sturdy and stable, even when the sewing machine is in operation. Number 3. Sew Ready Pro Stitch Sewing Machine Table. Introducing the Pro Stitch Sewing Machine Table, a spacious and stylish addition to your creative space. Its generous tabletop provides ample room for all your projects. Keep your supplies organized with its smart storage solutions. It features a large lower shelf, a convenient right-side shelf, and 3 metal mesh drawers. This table includes a unique adjustable platform that lowers to accommodate various sewing machine heights. It can also serve as a perfect spot for your laptop or keyboard. Tidy up your workspace with the built-in cord management holes. Keep your cables organized and out of the way for a cleaner look. Built to last, it features a durable powder-coated steel frame and a thick tabletop. The adjustable floor levelers ensure stability on any surface. More than just a sewing table, its versatile design makes it ideal for crafting, writing, or even as a computer desk. Enjoy a functional and beautiful workspace. What we like? For those who value organization and a clean workspace, this table is a great choice. It features convenient storage drawers and an adjustable shelf that can accommodate various sewing machine bases or serve as a keyboard tray. If you appreciate thoughtful details like cord management and a stable, stylish design, this is a strong contender. What people say. The sewing machine table is foldable, making it easy to store and transport. It has a spacious work surface that can accommodate most sewing machines. The table is sturdy and stable, even when in use. Number 2. Studio Design's Folding Multipurpose Sewing and Craft Table. Introducing a versatile table designed to maximize your space. Its foldable nature allows for easy storage, fitting neatly into a closet when not in use. Perfect for craft rooms or any area where storage is limited. This table offers a practical solution without compromising on functionality. It features a convenient drop-down platform, ideal for holding your sewing machine or even a keyboard. The platform's height is adjustable to 6 different levels. This piece is incredibly versatile. Use it as a sewing station, a computer desk, a craft table, or even an extra workspace. Beyond its primary uses, it can also serve as a folding party table, providing extra surface area for gatherings. It's the ultimate adaptable furniture solution. What we like? If you have limited space but still need a functional workspace, this folding table is an excellent solution. It can be easily stashed away when not in use, making it perfect for smaller homes or craft rooms. The adjustable platform offers flexibility for different machines or as a general work surface, making it a versatile addition to any home. What people say. The sewing machine table is foldable, making it easy to store when not in use. It has a spacious surface area that can accommodate most sewing machines. The table is sturdy and stable, providing a reliable workspace for sewing projects. Number 1. Best Choice Products Large Folding Sewing Table. This large folding table offers abundant storage. It features multiple shelves, trays, and cabinet space to keep all your crafting supplies organized and within reach. Beyond sewing, this versatile table is perfect for various arts and crafts. You can also transform it into a convenient workstation for your computer. Effortlessly move and store this table thanks to its built-in caster wheels. It rolls easily to a compact area, saving you valuable space when not in use. When your crafting is done, simply close it up. It transforms into a compact side table that seamlessly fits into any room's decor. Constructed with durable MDF wood and metal hinges, it's built to last. Lockable wheels and magnetic door locks ensure your items stay secure during movement. What we like? This option is ideal if you need a sewing station that is both highly functional and easy to move and store. Its built-in caster wheels allow for effortless relocation, and the extensive storage, including trays and a cabinet, keeps everything tidy. If you're looking for a portable, all-in-one craft station that can transform into a compact side table, this is the one. What people say. The table is very sturdy and doesn't wobble when I'm sewing. It folds up easily for storage and doesn't take up much space. The sewing machine fits perfectly on the table and is at a comfortable height for working. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.